Subscribe to our channel. MIG 205DS Welding Machine for Home by Yeswelding. Review. Are you looking for multi-process, dual voltage, synergic welding machine, providing high power in a light, compact unit? MIG 205DS 3-in-1 welder by Yeswelder has been specially designed for gas and gasless welding and spot and continuous long-term welding. Why choose MIG 205DS 3-in-1 welder by Yeswelder? Yeswelder MIG 205DS welding machine 3-in-1 multi-process dual voltage synergic welder is powerful helper in welding chores. For one low price, the Yeswelder MIG 205DS provides the ability to MIG, flux core, TIG, and stick weld. It runs on 110 or 220 volts, has a 60% duty cycle at 220 amperes, and the inverter technology employed makes for a compact, light unit that you can move around. Yeswelder also added a usable control panel, protected by a dust cover. Then, there are other touches like a carry handle, a dedicated preset to use pure CO2, and an inductance adjustment. So, this unit comes loaded with many useful features, even though it is a budget welder. For the price, you get a lot, and the performance makes it possible to enjoy welding with this unit. More importantly, you can create good welds with some practice to learn what settings work best. For new welders, or those on a tight budget, this unit is affordable and brings a number of new capabilities to a small workshop. Or, if you want inexpensive backup welder, the MIG 205DS is a good unit to have in reserve. So, this welding machine by Yeswelder is an excellent choice for home DIY jobs and light-duty small business projects. MIG 205DS welding machine for home by Yeswelding. Pros and cons. Pros: affordable, compact, and lightweight. Impressive art quality. Easy to use. MIG stick and flux core weld out of the box. Uses either 110 or 220 volts power supply. Set gas type, wire thickness, stock thickness, and the weld settings are automatically adjusted. Cons: no consumables included. No TIG torch included. Need your own gas regulator. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. MIG stick, TIG, multi-process welder. MIG 205DS is 200 amperes, 3-in-1, multi-process, dual voltage, 110 or 220 volts synergic welder, ideal for home use. The IGBT inverter technology provides high power in a light, compact unit, only 33 pounds. These units are capable of performing MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding. Synergic controlled. Synergic control, MIG function, allows the automatic change of the voltage and wire feeding speed by adjusting the amperage or choosing different thicknesses. 2T, 4T design. 2T for spot welding and simple work. 4T for continuous, long-term welding and releases your fingers. Gasless, gas, MIG welding. Can handle 2 pounds and 10 pounds rolls of wire. Gas MIG, recommended to use 0.030 inches, or 0.8 millimeters, and 0.035 inches, or 0.9 millimeters. ER70S6 and CO2, MIG, and 25% CO2 to 75% argon. MIG gasless. 0.035 U inches, or 0.9 millimeters. ET71G's flux wire, 0.030 inches flux wire, is available on tension 3.5, and higher than 100 amperes. What you get: 1 fit MIG gun, 10 fit electrode holder, cable 35 to 50 quick connector, 10 fit earth clamp, cable 35 to 50 quick connector, American gas hose, 1 additional 0.030 inch, and 0.035 inch contact tip, 110 and 220 volts adapter, hammer, and brush, English manual. Warranty and safety. Yeswelder MIG 205DS features a 4-year manufacturer's warranty, automatic protection function for overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating. Protection class IP21S. based on over 340 customer reviews, and an overall 4.6-star rating on Amazon. MIG 205DS, 3-in-1 welder for home, by Yeswelder. Wide application, compact, and portable welding machine, is ideal for the demands of home DIY jobs and light-duty, small business projects. Here's what some of the users have to say about it. 5 stars. Best welder for the money that you can buy. I have been welding for over 40 years. I never expected a 110 volts welder to do as well as this one does. I have a name brand welder at work that we use for fabrication. It is running on a 220 volts power supply. This Yeswelder I have in my garage is running on 110 volts, and it welds as good as the name brand welder at work. Plus, this welder does MIG, TIG, arc, and gasless, flux core welding. Don't even hesitate to buy this welder. Says Paul. 5 stars. Buttery smooth. MIG welds awesome. Have a Hobart 140 for 17 years, a good welder probe, last another 10 years, but this thing rocks. Don't worry about settings, turn the knob, and weld easy peasy. Have an auto shop in Maine, weld lots of rusty stuff, goes right through. Leads are plenty, long ground clamp is junk, but I use big jaw vice grips anyway. $300, plus Uncle Sam got some too. We're screwed. China taking over welding market. Says Scott Dupuy. 5 stars. It's like buying a new car for 1/8 of the price. Get it. The best bang for your buck on the market. I've tried it with 110 and 220. And this is a beast of a welder for what its price and size. For a shop or your garage, expect to be able to weld anything you want to. I highly recommend this item. Been welding for about 5 years, and my co-worker for about 40 years. He is as impressed as I am. I am very happy with this purchase. With the 4-year warranty in, not too worried about. Save money and get it. Says Brandon. 5 stars. This welder is amazing. The stick welding is phenomenal. This machine boasts a very long duty cycle. So, it can go a long ways, as long as you don't overdo it, I think. The wire feed mechanism is metal, so not cheap. The gun is a good Euro-style nozzle and connection. And the ground clamp is medium duty. It's well worth the money. This machine does it all. Remember, Hobart and these other brands are expensive and lack this 3-in-1 functionality, and Hobart is now made in China, and a lot of complaints are surfacing. I'm saving the money and giving this one hell until it dies. Says Rodolfo Gonzalez. 3 stars. Needs a better manual. Very poor instruction manual. Says Bruce. 1 star. This was not as expected. I really disliked that this was supposed to be plug in and weld. And that was not the case. The internal components were not hooked up as they should have been. Had to assemble and connect everything. Says Joy M. Myers. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.